Life of the people living in the northern mountains. Seven sister states. The seven small states located in the northeastern part of India are popularly known as seven sister states. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. In this video we will learn about Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. This is the largest state among the seven states. Due to the difficult terrain and the dense forest, this area is sparsely populated. The people living in the state are mainly tribals. They are hunters and farmers. The people living here grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco and oilseeds. The Lohit is an important river of the state. Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam is the second largest among the seven states. It is located in the valley of Brahmaputra river. Here, agriculture is the main occupation of the people. They grow rice and jute. Also, the tea gardens of Assam are very famous. Guwahati is the largest and the most famous city of the state. Assam has many petroleum producing areas near Digboi. The main language spoken in Assam is Assami. The Kamakhya temple, which is situated in Guwahati, is the famous temple of Assam. Bihu is the harvest festival of the state Assam, which is very famous all over India. Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The word Meghalaya means home of clouds. This state is named so because many parts of the state receive rainfall throughout the year. Mausanram and Cherrapunji are the places which receive the highest rainfall in the world. The famous hills which are situated in the state are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. During and Sanda are the two important rivers that flow through the state. People are mainly farmers and they grow rice, wheat, maize, pulses, pineapples, and banana. The main languages which are spoken here are Garo, Khasi, and English. Wangala and Nongkrin are the main festivals celebrated in Meghalaya.